Good morning, students. Today we will study subject Maths, chapter 14, topic How big, how heavy. Now we are in third part of this chapter. So students, open your notebook, take your pen, take your notebook and solve the sum with me. Okay, now we are on question number 9. Okay. Its first question is, if a baby elephant weighed 90 kg of birth, answer the following questions based on it. First one, how many times is the weight of a baby elephant to a child having weight of 3 kg? Here weight of baby elephant to child having weight of 3 kg and how many times? Here is the baby elephant weight 90 kg is given. इसका मतलब है अगर वेट ऑफ बेबी एलिफेंट का वेट अगर 3 kg है तो वो जो एलिफेंट बेबी था उसका 90 kg से कितने टाइम बड़ा है. ओके, सो वी राइट हियर इफ weight of child is equal to 3, here is given 3 kg. ओके, अगर वो 3 kg का है तो here is baby elephant का वेट कितना है 90 kg. हाउ मेनी टाइम, वो कितना टाइम हुआ. ओके, सो 90 डिवाइड बाय 3, 3 1 जा एंड 3 3 जा एंड 0 जा इज इक्वल टू 30 टाइम. कितना हो गया 30 टाइम. That is our answer. Second one, how many times if it to child having weight of 6 kg each? One child 6 kg, so 3 child 6 into 3 is equal to 18 kg weight. Okay, and weight baby elephant is 90, so how many times? So we divide 18 1 and 18 5 it means 5 टाइम. अगर दूसरे हिसाब से समझाऊँ, टाइम पूछा है, here is 18 kg, 3 चिल्ड्रन का वेट इज 3 चिल्ड्रंस वेट इज 18 kg. टाइम्स मीन्स मल्टीप्लाई होता है, तो हम किससे मल्टीप्लाई करें? वी विल गेट 90 kg. तो दैट वी डोंट नो, सो मल्टीप्लाई को हम डिवीज़न में कन्वर्ट करते हैं तो इधर मिल जाएगा 18 1 सा एंड 18 5 सा 5 टाइम एंड 18 5 सा 90. ओके, सो हियर इज 5 टाइम. देन थर्ड वन, हाउ मेनी टाइम इज इट टू 3 बॉयज हैविंग वेट ऑफ 15 kg ईच? वन बॉय वेट 15 kg, so 3 boy weight is equal to how much? So 15 into 3 is equal to 45 kg. Of 45 kg, and here our question 90 kg elephant weight. So 90 divided by 45, 45 1 सा 45 2 सा it means 2 टाइम. ओके, और दूसरी तरीके से करो तो 45 को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दें तो टाइम्स मिल जाएगा, दैट इज अ 90 kg. ओके, नाउ इट्स B1. See, it's B1. If an elephant weight 500 kg, answer the following question based on it. Its first one, how many students of 25 kg weight is equal to the weight of the elephant? Okay, so here first 25 kg weight, it means 1 students. Then 5000 kg weight, then how many students? So cross multiply 5000 divided by 25. So 25 upon में and 5000 is numerator. So 25 1 za 2 za and here 2 zeros. It means 200 students. That is our answer. Its second one, how many times is the weight of the elephant than the weight of 10 students of 50 kg each. Okay, one student weight 50 kg, so 10 student weight how much? So 10 into 50 is equal to 500 kg. Then how many times? So you divide. So 5000 divided by 500, 0 0 cut, 5 ones and 10s. It means 10 times. कितना टाइम हो जाएगा? Is equal to 10 times. Okay. Then how many persons of 100 kg weight is equal to it? अगर 100 kg 1 person का है तो how many persons? It is simple, 50%. 100 kg 1 person, 5000 kg how many person? Cross multiply 5000 into 1, it means 5000 upon 100, 0 0 cut, it means 50 persons. How many person? That is a 50%. It's our answer. Question number 10 and it's E. The weight of 1 5 rupees coin is 9 gram. If the weight of the bag carrying 5 rupees coin is given in the table, state the numbers of coin in the bag. Here weight of 1 5 rupees coin is given, that is the 9 gram. Okay. Here is total weight, it means weight of bag is given, that is a 9 kg. 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. So 9 kg is equal to how much? So 1000 into 9, it means 9000 gram. हम kg को किस में कन्वर्ट कर देंगे? ग्राम में. Because here is the weight of 1 5 rupees coin is 9 gram. So here is 9 kg. So 9000 gram divided by 9 gram is equal to 1000 coin. How many coins? 1000 coin. Here 18 kg is given. 18 kg multiplied by 1000, it means 18,000 gram. Divide by 9. So 9 ones are 9 twos are. So 2000 coins. Here is already gram is given, so no need to convert it. 3600 gram. 3600 divided by 9. 9 ones are 9 fours are 2 zeros, it means 400 coins. Then 4500 gram. Here also gram, no need to convert. So 4500 divided by 9. 9 ones are 9 fives are, it means 500 coins. Here 54 kg. Here is kg given, so convert it into gram. So multiply by 1000. So 54,000 gram divided by 9. 9 ones are 6 are is equal to 6000 coins. 6,300 gram. Here is gram given, so no need to convert. So 6,300 gram divided by 9. 9 ones are and 9 sevens are, it means 700 coins. 2 kg and 250 gram. 2 kg it means 2000 and 250 gram. Then 250 gram, so 0 0 2 2 5. Okay. 2 2 5 divided by 9, that is 250 coins. 7 kg 200 gram. 7 kg it means 7000 plus 200 is equal to 7200 divided by 9. 9 ones are and 8s are is equal to 800 coins. 8 kg and 100 gram. 8 kg it means 8000 plus 100 is equal to 8100 divided by 9. 9 ones are and 9 nines are is equal to 900. 1 kg 125 gram. 1 kg it means 1000 plus 125 1125 divided by 9 is equal to 125 coins of 5 rupees coin. Okay. Now see B1. The weight of one 2 rupee coin is 6 gram. If the numbers of coin in the bag is given in the table, state the weight of bag. It also very simple. Numbers of coin 500, weight of one coin is 6 gram, that is a given. So 500 into 6 is equal to 3000 gram, it means 3 kg. Here 1000 coins given. So 1000 and one coin weight is 6 gram. So 1000 into 6 is equal to 6000 gram. 6000 gram, it means 6 kg. 2500 into 6 is equal to 15,000. 15,000, it means 15 kg. 300,000 into 6 is equal to 18,000. 18,000, it means 18 kg. 1500 into 6 is equal to 15 6 are 90 and 2 0, it means 9,000 is equal to 9 kg. 4,500 into 6 is equal to 2700 is equal to 27 kg. 5,000 into 6 is equal to here 30,000 is equal to 30 kg. 5,500 into 6 is equal to 33,000. 33,000, it means 33 kg. That is our answer. Yes, here let's do homework. Actually, these sums are for your homework, but here is some different type of sums in this homework. So I solve here, and some same type of sums that I give you for your homework. Here is first one is a tank has a length of 60 centimeter, breadth 25 centimeter and depth of 15 centimeter. Find its volume. Okay, so here is, you see, here is length, breadth and depth, it means height. Three things are given, it means it is the volume of cuboid. But here is the name of cuboid is tank. So I write here volume of tank is equal to length into breadth into height. And one side we write length is equal to 60 centimeter, breadth is equal to 15 centimeter, height is equal to 15 centimeter. Okay, so here is 60 into 25 into 15. 25 6 are 150 and 0 1500. 1500 into 50 is equal to 2500 centimeter cube. It means here 2,25,000 centimeter cube. It's the volume of tank. Okay. And question 86. Hasmukh Bhai wants to order concrete for a place which has length of 6 meter, breadth 5 meter, depth 10 centimeter. How much of the concrete will he need it? ये सब आपको होमवर्क में करना है, but here you change. Sorry, here otherwise in these two places you have to change because here is centimeter. हमको सेम यूनिट में कन्वर्ट करना है. तो अगर 6 मीटर है तो हम 600 सेंटीमीटर एंड 5 है तो 500 सेंटीमीटर में चेंज करके देन वी सॉल्व इट. सो यू सॉल्व इन योर होमवर्क. एंड हियर a swimming pool has the length 4 meter, breadth 1.5 meter, depth 30 सेंटीमीटर. देखो ये सेंटीमीटर में आते हैं, इन दोनों को आप मीटर है तो सेंटीमीटर में चेंज कर देना. हाउ मच ऑफ द वाटर विल बी नीडेड टू फिल इट. ओके, हियर फोर्थ वन. देयर इज अ रेक्टेंगुलर स्विमिंग पूल हैविंग लेंथ 4 मीटर and breadth 2 meter in Jinal's garden. She want to clean it and fill with water up to 25 centimeter. Here is the depth is not mentioned. उसकी डेप्थ नहीं दी है, हाइट नहीं दी है, पर उसने क्या बोला है? fill with water up to 25 centimeter. तो it means the 25 centimeter तक वो पानी भरेगी, तो that is the height. how much of the water will be needed. Okay, so 4 meter and here is 25 centimeter. तो मैं इन दोनों को किस में कन्वर्ट कर दूंगी, सेंटीमीटर को. 4 मीटर इज इक्वल टू 400 सेंटीमीटर. यू नो स्टूडेंट 1 मीटर इज इक्वल टू 100 सेंटीमीटर. So 4 meter is equal to how much? That is the 400 centimeter. 2 meter is equal to 200 centimeter. 25 centimeter 25. इन दोनों को हम चेंज करेंगे, इसको नहीं. देखो here is all units is same. Centimeter, centimeter and centimeter. Then volume of swimming pool is equal to length into breadth into height. So 400, 200 and 25. मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, देन यू गेट 2 लाख सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. एंड यू नो स्टूडेंट्स, मैंने आपको एक सम में बता दिया था, आपको याद रखना है, दैट इज 1000 क्यूबिक सेंटीमीटर इज इक्वल टू 1 लीटर. सो 2 लाख सेंटीमीटर क्यूब इज इक्वल टू हाउ मच? सो 2 लाख डिवाइड बाय 1000 कट कर देंगे, दैट इज द 2000 लीटर. सो फाइनल स्टेटमेंट 2000 liter water will needed. Okay, understand? इधर ध्यान रखना चेंज करने में. Okay, let's do and its second sum. The weight of 100 rupees coin is 485 gram. It means जो 100 coin है 1 rupees के, उसका weight है 485 gram. The right answer of the following question. What is the weight of 1000 coin? Okay, here given 101 rupees coin 485 grams. So 101 rupees coin weight is equal to 485 gram. So 1001 rupees coin is equal to how much? So 1000 multiply by 485 divide by 100. Cross multiply और ये नीचे चला जाएगा. Then 0 0 0 0 cut. 485 into 10 is equal to 4850 ग्राम. केजी में कन्वर्ट कर दें, 3 पॉइंट काट के, सो हम 3 कदम आगे आ जाएंगे. दैट इज अ 4 kg एंड 850 ग्राम. हियर व्हाट इज द वेट ऑफ 500 कॉइन? इट्स योर होमवर्क. व्हाट इज द वेट ऑफ 200 कॉइन्स? इट्स योर होमवर्क. सेम मेथड से ही सम करना है. हाउ मेनी कॉइन देयर इज द वेट ऑफ 1455 ग्राम. ये थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट है, मेथड है, बट ऐसा ही सेम सम आई विल डू 5th वन. 4 जैसा ही सेम है, 5th वाला मैंने 5th वाला सॉल्व किया है. हाउ मेनी कॉइन्स आर देयर इफ द वेट ऑफ कॉइन इज 1940? ओके, हियर यू हैव फाइंड द नंबर्स ऑफ कॉइन. 485 ग्राम वेट, then 100 coins. So 1940 gram is equal to how many coins? Cross multiply 1940 multiply by 100 divide by 485. ओके, अब हम इधर 100 है, 5 से रिड्यूस होगा, 5 2 जा एंड 0 जा. एंड हियर आल्सो 5 से रिड्यूस करेंगे, 5 9 जा 45, 3 रिमेनिंग एंड 5 7 जा 35. इट मीन्स 97. 97 1 जा 97, 2 जा 194 and 1 0 carry. 20 into 20 is 400. So 400 coin are there in the weight of 1940 gram. Okay. Then 6th one. How many coin are there in the weight of the coin is 2 kg and 910 gram. 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. So 2 kg how much? So 2 into 1000 is equal to 2000 gram plus 910. It means total gram is 22,910 gram. Okay, of 485 gram. Then how many coin? 100 coins. So 2910 gram is equal to how much? Cross multiply 2910 into 100 upon 485. Reduce 5 से सेम करेंगे. Here is 97 and here is 20. 20 आ गया. फिर 97 1 जा and 3 जा 291 30. 30 into 20 is 600. So 30 into 20 is equal to 600 coins. Then 600 coin are there in the weight of the coin is 2 kg and 910 gram. Okay students, and it's seventh one also your homework. Here seventh one, how many coins are there in the weight of the coin is 3 kg 885 gram. That is also your homework. It means 1 2 3 4 and this weight वाले जो हैं it's second one, let's do के second one के four sum and first one I show you already. Okay students, I finish my chapter here. We will meet with new video with new chapter. Okay.